Yo, what is going on, chat? Y'all already know what's up. Yo, we finna pull up and go to the beach. You feel me? And pick that fit. We got some calm shit. You feel me? Like we ain't trying to do too much. You feel me? We're not trying to do too much because we don't know what you trying to get into. But just don't try to be vibey, bro. You feel me? And I just wanna turn you on before I head out and show you what's up. You feel me? We just wanna get active. This shit just out of nowhere, bro. We have not slept. We just got our 9 to 5 type shit. Feel me? And then this shit just pop up and like we were like, I fuck it, we on it. Like, why not? Why not? You feel me? So let's just get on it and we are on the road, bro. And bro, I got some shit that when I be getting nervous, bro, I be like repeating myself or saying the same shit, bro. If that catch me doing that shit, bro, correct me on the comment section. You feel me? Like you'll be like, you're like just troll or do whatever. You feel me? Just cause I need to start talking right. For me, I need to get right, and I need y'all help with that. You feel me? So without further ado, let's get it. Let's pipe out. You feel me? Let's go outside and let's get ready, bro. Y'all already know who did. God did for a fact. We gotta make a little quick stop to get some ice. You feel me? And we're back on roll. So now that we got the ice, we finna pop shop to my cousin type shit, and we just finna get vibe with it. You feel me, chat? So just bear with me. We finna get right. We finna get active. Chat, I just made it to the spot type shit. You feel me? So we finna take his shit and we finna get right with it. You feel me? So just bear with me. We finna get right. Feel me? I'll see y'all when we get to the pool. You feel me? Cause like it's only right. God damn. Okay. Yeah. Shit. ¿Tú crees que Alvin la llegue de ahí? Jeje. Yo, Chad, we back in this motherfucker, you feel me? So, we just got right, you feel me? Yeah, peep type shit. We over here, but we just finding the spot and just getting right, just getting vibe. You already know what it is, so stay tuned. We finna come back in a minute, bro. Pero mejor, sáquenlo. El cuchillo o una vaina de esto. Pues ya lo bregaron. Yo lo bregué.
La mano del taxista.
Claro.
Espérate, no es.
Esto, ponlo hasta aquí para uno poder poner carne.
Tú no vas a tocar la carne de la orilla, abusador.
No, pero.
¿Qué? Ambulado gemelo. Ya. Yo, chat.
El flow somos nosotros. La verdadera pechuga, la verdadera vaina la tenemos nosotros. Aquí tengo al gemelo mío.
Yo, nah, it's movies, bro. You feel me? Activo. I'm gonna capture we finna get back, we gotta get this shit right, you feel me? And we gonna get vibey with it. Vamos a prender esta vaina, en verdad que sí. Yo, child, I ain't gonna cut my phone. It's full of sand. You feel me? Like I said for multiple times, and then we just playing football. You feel me? Just getting right. You feel me? Just vibing, and then just feel me? I'm just out here with the fan doing like some cool shit for me, cooking out and like just cook out, vibing. Feel me? Alvin, aquí ven. Whoop whoop. Ooh. ¿Qué es lo que? Dale, tú sabes la rutina de nosotros. So it's like it just vibe chat. We just feel me, just having a good time. Ooh, good eats and shit like that, chat. For me, just vibe and just. Ooh. For me, so I'ma get with ya. I'ma get vibe. I'ma catch ya in a minute. Esta está quemadita.
Hay que poner la ropa, está frío. Mira, ya esto no va a calentar y que mucho, porque ese ya está quemado. El aluminio.
Claro que está. Vamos a darle 5 minutos más.
Ya.
Sí.
El arroz de una hora.
Yeah.
Ven, trae el arroz.
Sí. Un pasito ahí. Yo, it's good to eat. Got it. Yo, have some food. I gotcha.
¿Qué tú quieres? ¿Pollo o res?
Jeez.
Ya, Alvin, ven.
It's all good to eat over here. Yeah. Straight vibes.
Oh, ¿te mando el video?
Yo, shot, y'all already know the vibe. We vibe, you feel me? Like, straight movies, you feel me? Like, we just vibing. Yo, chat, by now y'all already seen we on our way to work, bro. I ain't gonna cap on Thailand, motherfucker. I took a quick power nap, you feel me? And that power nap turned to like an hour or two. But we on our way to work right now, and we just finna get vibing. If y'all like this type of content, let me know so I get right with y'all, you feel me? But I ain't gonna cap, this summer we finna start vlogging. Even we finna go start doing a lot of solo trip, you feel me? I get vibing with it, you feel me? But right now, we're heading to work. Taisha, y'all already see it, and we just finna vibe out and shit. Like, but if you fuck with this, let me know.